With all new technology, there's always a learning curve. Here are my top 5 technical questions that you might have. Number 1, double check and make sure you've got plenty of dry pellets in the hopper. Number 2, make sure your hood is completely closed and sealed so no heat can escape. Number 3, make sure that your cooking mode and temperature are set properly. Identify early, do you want to smoke at lower temperatures from 175 to 300? Or are you grilling from 301 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit? Or are you searing? And sear mode has 3 different settings. You'll see 1, 2, and 3. Each one incrementally adds more pellets to increase the temperature. Number 4, your pellet grill won't ignite. There's a couple things that you might notice. First of all, when you press start, if you see that the flame icon does not stay on, or you might get an alarm indicating low temperature. Both of those are an indication that the burner pot is not firing up. What you need to do is take off the laser cut grates, remove the heat shield, and look down inside and have a look at that burner pot. Make sure that it is free of debris. Make sure there's no old pellets in there. And something I like to do is to vacuum out any of the dry pellets. Make sure to do it when the unit is completely cold. But make sure that burner pot is kept clean and free of debris, and make sure that the pellets are rolling into it. That's a good way to start to troubleshoot. Number 5, if you're experiencing any technical difficulty with your touchscreen, turn it off and then back on again. If it's still not responsive, turn it off and go to the power source. Unplug it, wait 10 to 15 minutes, that'll allow everything to cool, plug it back in, and turn it on. If it still doesn't work at that point, make sure to call Coyote and we'll get you sorted out.